Want to match with people from anywhere in the world on Hily? Here's how to change your location on Hily, even if the app doesn't let you do it directly. By default, Hily uses your phone's GPS location to show nearby matches. If you move to a new city or want to connect with people abroad, you might wonder, can I change my location manually? Unfortunately, Hily doesn't have a built-in feature for that. If you can pay for the global search feature, you can see people all around the world. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that works on both iPhone and Android. The easiest way to change your GPS location on Hily is by using a trusted location changer tool, like MagFone Location Changer. Launch MagFone Location Changer on your computer, connect your iPhone or Android via USB. Once the map loads, enter any city you want. Click Start to modify, and your GPS location instantly changes. Now, open Hily, and boom!